it's Justin. Alrighty, so I said that I was going to do a video on how to do web design, so that's what I plan on doing. This is my channel right here. Make sure you check out my other videos and let me know what you think. Alright, for this video, I do have Dreamweaver, so I'm going to start off with this just to show you. And if you do happen to have Dreamweaver, you can click HTML, and this is what you'll get. Now, I'm just going to show the code portion, because pretty much anytime you're making a HTML document, whether you use Dreamweaver or not, if you use Notepad or anything like that, it's all the same. This is what you'll basically need, and I'll go ahead and post this in the description for you. I want to show you guys a website that is great for getting ideas on code. Oops, that's the wrong website. You can go to google.com and just type in W3 Schools, and it should pop right up. And what you can do is you can click on Learn HTML, and if you basically just want a quick tutorial on it, you can go through this, or you can look for this tag list right down here by references. Click that and it will tell you what every little type of code does, all that good stuff. If you want to embed a video, label anything, define an object, make it bold, select it out, anything that you need. So for creating a basic small website, let me just show you what we can do here. You always want to have your beginning, so you'll have this, like if you want to do a paragraph, that's P, and then you'll type whatever you want. So for example, I'm going to put hello world just to show you, and then you always want to close it, and since I have Dreamweaver, it closes it for me when I just hit the slash. This is proper way of doing code. Excuse me. And you always want to open and close your thing so it knows to register exactly what you're doing with it. And if you want to see a quick preview of what it looks like, there it is. It's just a little hello world shows up, and that's how it would show up if you hosted it on a website or anything like that. If you wanted to change the text color, you could do text. Alrighty, since my stupid video recorder messed up on me, I will try and piece the video together. Anyways, so if you wanted to do a heading, you put H, and then you can put 1 through 6. So let's try H1 first. Close my tag here. I'm going to try the hello world again. Matter of fact, I'll do another one just so you can see what it looks like with a different number next to it. And make sure you guys close your tags for proper code. If you want to put a space in between it, oops. If you want to put a space in between it, you just put your bracket and then you type BR space slash and close it, and now I'll give you a split. So let's see what that looks like. This is the hello world with the 1 tag, heading 1 tag, and this is heading 6 tag. So the bigger the number, the smaller the text is. Another thing about W3 Schools is if you don't know something about any tags or anything, you can look it up in here. So for the break, which is what I just showed you guys, it's to put a space in between something. You can click the tag, you can click try it yourself, and it shows you how you can break it up basically. This is just saying you can put BR. I mean, HTML is rather easy and it recognizes a lot of things that aren't necessarily correct, but if you're trying to be correct, then you want to close your tags and make them look right and all that good stuff. So if you wanted to, let's see, what else can we do here? If you wanted to search something, you can search it for text. Google is really a good way of searching for any type of coding that you need. Obviously, you can find whatever you want. Check out this time here. See if we can get this to work. If you wanted to put time on here, you could just simply go on here, copy the code, and that's the great thing about that website too, is that you can just copy it. So let's put this in our page here and see what happens. Refresh it. And, well, it's not really showing up very well in this. But that's pretty much the basics, and that's the first intro to it. And I will go ahead and post all this basic stuff into the description so you can have it, you can play around with it. Later on, I'll try and get a hold of some of my school files that I've done and show you the coding on that. And I might just add it onto this video here in a second, so I will continue this video in a minute. After finding my files that I wanted, this is a website that I had worked on before. You got your links here, which I created in Photoshop, but you can just use standard links depending on how you want to do it. If you're doing it from Notepad, it's probably easier to get images off the internet or create them yourself, however you want to do it. This right here is a video that I have uploaded onto the website that I created, just one that I got off of YouTube for school purposes. Up here I have the different pages that I have, just basically all pretty much the same because I haven't really worked on it yet. The coding, which for the main page is what you see here. This image is my banner that I have, so and it's not showing it on here. Oh, there it is. So this is my banner that I have. I have scrolling text here, horizontal line, all my links are right here, which it's not going to switch over to, and then just a video that I uploaded for aesthetics and viewing purposes for my teacher. So this is the image for the banner that I have. This is what dictates the font color. It's just a tag, and you put font space color equals and in quotation marks. You can look up the code numbers for different colors on the internet. Just type in HTML color codes in Google and you can find it. Sometimes you can just type black or anything like that. This is the background color of the body, which is the whole page. Here is the links for the home page, items page, sides page, barbecue, etc. This I right here just means that this is in italics, and this means that it's scrolling. I'm using heading 3 on it. This determines the speed. You can adjust it and see what it looks like however you want. This is just the line break color. You can use the coding in your actual text, like here I have this paragraph, so this whole thing right here between this spot and this spot is in a paragraph. Just dictates that, hey, there's a paragraph there. And then I got this little Cooks R Us in quotations is in italics. And then this is just my embedded video, so it actually loads on the website. And then this is an image that just hasn't been put up yet, and I haven't messed with it. But this is what the website looks like with all that code. I also have the banner on this site on all my different pages as well. Don't forget to rate, subscribe, comment, and do video reviews, and hopefully we'll get that giveaway here shortly. Thanks for viewing. Have a great day.